Got a brand new penny and I think I pay over for it. I'm starting to think that I pay over for your love. I'm fresh as hell and it's your loss, I ain't no scrub. I was falling in love with you, I ain't take you as no dog. You something else, you don't know what to do with yourself. You grown, you don't need no help. My love is too heartfelt, but I just wanna wrap you up and hold you in my arms for the night. You been gone for so long, let's celebrate that we unite. I hit you up, you say don't call you, that was hurtful. I guess I figure after all I deserve you. Caught up in a thug, I swear I did not mean to hurt you.
Tune in.
What's up, fam? It's your boy Jeremiah and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please stop what you're doing, go hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to get notified when I post a new video. As you guys can see, I have myself 2 burgers, some chicken wings, and some boiled corn. So my granddad put some hamburgers and chicken on the grill, so we just finna get it in. I got a new chat, y'all. Y'all already know what's going on. And I hope everyone is out there being safe and wearing your mask during this quarantine. Please stay sanitized. Y'all know I always say that. And it's been a while, so I'm finna say my grace and we just finna get in. Father God, thank you for the food that I'm about to receive. Let every nurse out back in your son Jesus' name, pray, amen. Y'all, I'm starving. I didn't eat nothing all day, so we just finna get it in. Y'all want some? Take a bite. Come on now. I know y'all want some. I know y'all want some. Take it. Oh my God. I miss you guys so much. Come on, take a bite. So, there's so many flies out here. There's some root beer. Burger. I know y'all want a piece of burger. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at that. Barbecue sauce in there. Corn. How you guys? I have some amazing news coming up for you guys. I'm gonna be dropping bangers all the rest of 2020. On God, for real. I got that stick here today. Hey guys, next week, next Saturday. Oh my God. I'm getting deja vu. I feel like this day already happened for some reason. But, oh my God, food so good. So, next Saturday, I'll be having my graduation party. It's gonna be so epic. I'm having it in my yard, so y'all know that. Well, things are starting to open back up, but for my safety, I don't feel safe to go out and party. So I'll be sitting here in the house. My little cousin want to get my video off so bad, so.
What I say?
Come on.
Hey y'all, this food is lit.
Tell me your name.
My name is Braxton. I'm gonna make me a YouTube channel too.
That's my cousin. His YouTube channel is coming soon too. So.
The Braxton Show. Say it.
the Braxton show. So y'all stay tuned for that. And when his YouTube channel come, y'all, I want everybody to go subscribe to his channel. This food's so good. Oh my god. I know everybody be so glad once this quarantine thing is over with. I know I will. Because this corona stuff. And then we have such a crazy president.
You say eat Lysol.
This man is somebody from eat Lysol and bleach and stuff.
You say that killed the coronavirus.
I don't know what to say with that man.
You saw me.
So many flies out here. Oh my gosh, I'm getting my clothes dirty. I'm so mad. I got on white shorts, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit later. I'm looking so good at it. I'm just getting my clothes dirty, man. I knew this was gonna happen. Every time I wear white, I get my clothes dirty. Yeah, one piece. It looks so good, don't it? Come on. I know y'all want some. I know y'all want some. I ain't gonna force on y'all now. So, I know most of y'all are tired of hearing about this class of 2020. But, oh y'all, let me announce this. So, they did come up with a thing for our graduation where it's for every person, they only get 5 tickets. So, they can only invite 5 people to the ceremony. Which I think is crazy because people want their whole families to come, so I don't know. That's crazy though.
Road to the riches on highway home. Taking these meds, I'm halfway gone. I don't need me no friends, I'm all alone. Don't need to pretend to call my phone. Yeah, still in the game, but she out of my league. Feeling my pain, it's like watching me bleed. Gave you my heart, it's like watching me breathe. I wanna believe in love, but I gotta deceive. Yeah, show you the world like I'm the co-pilot.
Food's so good, y'all. Here's y'all can see. I literally demolished it. But like I was saying, about graduation. Only fried chickens. That's crazy. MC at first they had it like where they was gonna do one car per person. I'd rather that because my family, me and my family, we were just gonna get a van. See, that way we can get most of our family, most of my family in there. But now they changed to 5 kids. It's crazy. But it is what it is. We still having a party though. We're gonna vlog the whole party. Huh? Where you two there?
I done lost my nigga band, which I can see through the sky. Fake love returned to still, but they done killed good vibes. The pain was knowing I lost my nigga, but I wasn't paralyzed. I'm tired of seeing my niggas in the grave, I need a new set of eyes. If young ain't got them pants, got my bitch up in the pharmacy. I leave the studio and go hustle.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back next week with another banger. I know what I say after all my videos. I love y'all. Wait, I gotta show y'all my outfit. Say I'm my outfit.
I don't think they understand, we all we got. I don't think they understand, we all we got. We all we got. Sometimes I think about leaving.